A 27-year-old healthcare hero is dead after a weeks-long fight with coronavirus. James White was a nurse at the Lake City VA Medical Center. It's there where his family believes James contracted the virus.
He spent his last days caring for patients and putting his life on the line and being out there on the front lines. And his main concern was always doing right by his patient.
His family says he was diagnosed with COVID-19 several weeks ago and had begun quarantining at home when his oxygen levels dropped below 62%. He was transferred to West Marion Hospital, where White's father said things got worse.
Yeah, we stayed in contact with him all week. And then it was harder and harder to get responses out of him. Next thing we know, we get a call Sunday morning saying that he coded and had a heart attack for 20 minutes. Or trying to bring him back, and we kept waiting for better phone calls. But every phone call was just sadder and sadder news. And then Jimmy just kept having heart attacks, and they continued to try to bring him back to life, and finally they couldn't.
Days after his passing, his family is in disbelief that their son, still in his 20s, could die from the virus.
He was way too young.
Yeah. And every doctor and nurse that we spoke with at where he was being cared for said the same. They just said this shouldn't be happening.
Well, it's devastating, and for me, it's going to be a very long process to deal with the loss of my son.
One thing abundantly clear to this family: the emotional and physical toll COVID-19 is having on healthcare workers just like James.
He just went in every day and did the best, did his duty, did what he had to do.
He had a very caring heart for others.
Just really to all the nurses and all the medical staff that are caring and empathetic, and they really care. And that's what my brother chose to do with his life, was to care for others and to serve and to be a nurse. And it takes a very special kind of human being to do that. So we just wanted to say thank you so much.